Why is Minecraft modding so popular? Because it takes an already great game and lets you mold it like clay. You can add new blocks, creatures, tools, and even entire game mechanics. It's basically infinite creativity squared. When I first explored Minecraft mods, it felt like an entirely new dimension opened up. Vanilla Minecraft is fun, sure, but mods allow you to graft the game onto your own imagination. Think custom biomes, jetpacks, or dragons. Yes, dragons! Installing Minecraft mods can feel intimidating at first. Trust me, this is normal. Technically, you're dealing with third-party software. But once you nail the process, it's as straightforward as copy-pasting some files. A couple of clicks, and boom, new worlds unlocked. Step 1. Get Forge or Fabric, the mod loaders. Forge is like the highway that mods travel on, while Fabric is the newer option that some mods prefer. Knowing which one a particular mod requires is usually the trickiest part. Step 2. Download mods only from reliable sources. CurseForge and Modrinth are fantastic starting points because they vet their files for safety. Don't just Google random mods. Malware's one creeper you don't want to encounter. Copy the mod files into the mods folder in your Minecraft directory. If you can't find the folder, just run Minecraft with the mod loader installed. It usually auto-generates the folder for you. Piece of cake, right? Pain point: compatibility. Not all mods play nicely together, and figuring out why your game won't load can be a headache. Always check if mods are compatible with your current version of Minecraft and with each other. Pro tip: never overload your game with too many mods at once. Start small. Half a dozen mods is plenty to get a feel for what works and what doesn't. Trust me, modding chaos is a real thing. Mod packs are the holy grail if you're new. These preset collections of mods work together harmoniously, saving you the trouble of trial and error. Think of them like playlists. Someone else did the hard work so you can enjoy. Fancy a tech challenge? Mods like IndustrialCraft or BuildCraft turn Minecraft into an engineering playground. You can automate farms, create power systems, even build a working factory. Real-world problem solving, but in pixel form. Or maybe you're more of an explorer. Mods like Biomes O Plenty and Twilight Forest expand Minecraft's landscapes to jaw-dropping extremes. Imagine lush jungles, glowing mushrooms, or walking through a magical realm. It's insane. And then there's multiplayer modding. Hosting a server with mods lets you and your friends experience a completely customized version of the game together. Just make sure everyone's on the same page. Not running the same mods? Boom, chaos.